Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the tutorial how to make a slow-mo effects on CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So here I already opened my CapCut application as well as the clip that I have here. So let's get the check first. So you can see the move is quite fast here, and I would like to make a slow-mo effect for this video. So the thing you have to do, you just need to bring these straight lines into the beginning of the clip by just dragging the clip into the right side. Whenever this straight line is already come into the first part of the clip, you just need to go click the clip, and there will be activate some tools over here. And after that, you just need to go click in the speed part. And the speed tool, there will be two options. Either you want to create a normal or curve. So the normal one is gonna be a speed control that have a constant speed that will be applied into the whole clip. So here, this one is the normal speed that you have, which is 1. If you want to make a slow effect, you just need to drag this point into the left side, and you just need to adjusting the speed that you want to have. For example, if you want to make it like 0.5, then you will go there and just go click this check glass button and go check the result. And you can see that the video already have this slow-mo effects on it. So that's the way how to create a slow-mo effect on a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this video.